Have you ever noticed how your posture quietly collapses during the day without you even noticing it? You start your morning sitting upright, thinking you'll stay like that, but a few hours of working on your laptop, studying, scrolling on your phone, or even just relaxing on the couch, and suddenly you're hunched forward. Your neck is sticking out, your shoulders are rounded, and your back feels tight and tired. And the crazy thing is, most of us don't even notice it happening until the discomfort shows up. This is the reality for almost everyone today. We sit more than any generation before us, we barely move, and our body eventually adapts to these positions, even when those positions are terrible for us. Bad posture doesn't just affect how you look, it affects how you feel. It changes your energy, your breathing, your confidence, your mood, and even your performance during exercises. But the good news is, posture is not permanent. Your body is incredibly responsive when you give it the right movements. All it needs is to open up the tight areas, activate the weak areas, and remind your spine where it naturally belongs. And that's exactly what we're going to do today through a combination of stretching, mobility, strengthening, and posture reset movements, all of which you can easily do at home. Exercise 1. Chest opening doorway stretch. For the first movement, stand near any doorway or even a wall corner so you can open the tight chest muscles that pull your shoulders forward. Place your forearms on the sides of the doorway at about shoulder height and take a slow step forward. Your chest will begin to stretch immediately, but don't rush it. Let your body ease into the position. Take a deep breath in through your nose to expand your chest, and as you breathe out, gently lean your body weight forward. Feel the front of your shoulders, your chest, and even the upper part of your arms opening. Keep your head in neutral alignment and avoid pushing your neck forward. Stay with the stretch, breathing slowly, and imagine your chest broadening with every inhale. This stretch is essential to undo hours of forward rounding, so stay mindful and present as the tension releases. Exercise 2. Cat-cow spinal mobilization. Come down onto your hands and knees and set up with your palms directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers and press the floor lightly. Begin by inhaling and slowly dropping your belly toward the floor while lifting your chest and tailbone upward. Feel your spine gently arching. Then exhale as you round your back upward, tucking your chin and pushing your hands into the ground. Take your time. This movement is not about speed. It's about reconnecting with your spine. As you move, notice which parts feel stiff or tight. Pay attention to your breathing. With every repetition, try to increase the smoothness of the movement. This is one of the best ways to mobilize a spine that's been frozen all day. Exercise 3. Scapular retraction on the floor. Lie flat on your stomach and let your arms rest by your sides. Place your forehead on the ground gently. Slowly squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your upper chest slightly off the floor. Don't rush and don't lift too high. You're not trying to bend your lower back. You're trying to wake up the muscles between your shoulder blades that help you maintain an upright posture. Hold the squeeze for a moment and then lower your chest back down. Repeat the movement slowly. Feel those mid-back muscles starting to activate as if they're waking up after being asleep all day. The more you train these muscles, the less your shoulders will round forward during the day. Exercise 4. Chin tucks with neck alignment. Sit or stand tall and gently place a finger on your chin. Without looking up or down, slowly pull your chin backward like you're giving yourself a small double chin. You'll feel a stretch deep at the base of your skull and slight activation in the front of your neck. Hold this position, breathe, and then release. Repeat slowly. This movement helps fix forward head posture, one of the most common results of phone and computer use. As you keep doing this movement, imagine stacking your head directly above your spine like you're relearning the correct position.
Exercise 5. Thoracic extension over a roll. Grab a rolled towel or small cushion and place it under your mid-back as you lie down, and slowly allow your chest and upper spine to open over the towel. Take deep breaths into your ribs. Each inhale expands your chest, and each exhale lets your spine relax a little more. If you feel tightness, that's normal. This area gets extremely stiff from hunching forward throughout the day. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and let gravity help you open up your upper back. Stay here, relaxing into the stretch. Exercise 6. Wall Angels. Stand with your back against a wall and gently press your lower back, upper back, and head against it. Raise your arms into a goalpost position and slowly slide them upward, then back down. Focus on keeping your elbows and wrists close to the wall. Take your time. This movement is much harder than it looks because it exposes every weakness in your upper back and shoulders. As you glide your arms, breathe deeply and try to maintain contact with the wall. If your lower back lifts slightly, that's normal. Just try your best to keep it controlled. This exercise teaches your body how to maintain proper shoulder alignment. Exercise 7. Hip flexor stretch with pelvic tilt. Move into a kneeling lunge position with one knee on the ground and the other foot in front. Instead of leaning forward, gently tuck your pelvis under as if pulling your belt buckle upward. You'll feel the stretch instantly along the front of your hip. Keep your rib cage stacked over your hips and avoid leaning forward. Hold the stretch and breathe deeply. Tight hip flexors can pull your pelvis forward, creating lower back arching, so releasing them is key to improving your overall posture. Exercise 8. Glute bridge activation. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Press through your heels and slowly lift your hips up while squeezing your glutes. Hold for a second at the top, then lower with control. This is not a fast exercise. Make each repetition count. Focus on your glutes doing the work, not your lower back. Your glutes play a major role in stabilizing your pelvis and protecting your lower spine. With each repetition, feel your hips opening and your posture realigning from the base upward. Exercise 9. Reverse Snow Angels. Lie face down with your arms above your head in a wide Y shape. Slowly sweep them down toward your hips in a smooth arc while keeping your chest slightly lifted. Focus on squeezing your upper back muscles throughout the movement. Your goal is to train the small stabilizer muscles around your shoulder blades, the ones that help you hold a tall posture without slouching. Move slowly, breathe steadily, and stay controlled. Exercise 10. Standing shoulder reset with breathing. Stand tall with your feet grounded and your shoulders relaxed. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down, then gently pull your shoulder blades together. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let your chest rise. As you exhale, keep your shoulders set and feel your spine lengthen upward. Repeat the movement slowly. This is your final posture reset, the one that reminds your body exactly how proper posture should feel. Stay here for a few breaths, grounding yourself and letting your body absorb the entire session. And that completes your full posture correction routine. Take a moment to stand tall, breathe deeply, and feel the changes in your body. Your chest is more open, your shoulders are sitting in a better position, your neck feels lighter, and your spine feels more supported. This is what happens when you give your body the movements it actually needs. If this routine helped you, let me know in the comments. It motivates me to create even more helpful videos for you. And if you want to continue improving your posture, fixing your push-ups, or building a stronger body at home, I've added some videos on the screen that you can follow right after this. Thank you for training with me today. Take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video.